Hey, let's do a quick update here on this spice rack shelf that I put up with the command strips. I want to show you this. I don't know if you can see it, but right there, the weight of the command, or the weight of the shelves and the spice, the command strip, you can see it right there, is starting to pull the wallpaper off the wall. So, gotta take it down. Hey, sometimes you'll find out later that it's not gonna work. Unfortunately, that didn't work. Yeah, look what it did. After taking it down, it bubbled that right off. It won't stick back either. Alright, so be careful what you put it on. Yeah, that's bubbled. 3 bubbles. Well, now we know we can't hang anything on the wallpaper with any kind of weight, because the weight's just going to pull that wallpaper right off the wall. Every day's a learning experience.